So I'm Andrew Giles. I farm here at Maestlute Home Farm, Glaisbury, in southeast Powys. We got 174 hectares of grazing platform and 550 Friesian crossbred dairy cows. This year I'm involved in the Welsh Pasture Project, which involves a group of farmers sharing their grass data, and I hope to share some of our experiences and decision-making processes with you. Measuring grass is so important to our business. We're a spring block calving herd and we measure grass weekly. It enables us to make timely decisions so we can be proactive about decisions we make going forward. We measure every Monday and then we have a team meeting afterwards and we discuss issues like, have we got a surplus? Have we got a deficit? And what do we do then? And one of the important things that comes out of those discussions is to try and predict what's going to happen in the next week to 10 days. And that will depend on what the weather's doing, current stocking rate, fertiliser levels. For example, if there's dry weather coming, we can slow the rotation down. So we're not going to use all our grass up too quickly, so we're holding covers on farm. So we farm in the driest area in Wales. One of the things that we've learnt over the 20 years that we've been here is to try and predict and look out for a drought that's coming our way. And the minute growth drops below what we would deem to be average for that time of year, and particularly if there's no rain in the forecast, then we would start putting things in place early. And that's the key thing, because you can make a massive difference to the effect a drought has on your grassland. So for example, if we were about to cut some silage, we would look at the weather forecast, look at our growth rates, and if there was any chance that there was going to be a dip in growth, we would either hold some of that grass back uncut. So regarding fertiliser on this farm, we've done 2 rounds of nitrogen so far. The first one was in early March, which was a 40% urea with sulphur. And then we've gone again in early April with ammonium nitrate. Going forward, we will continue following the cows with nitrogen, about 30 kilograms a hectare every application. For most people, silage stocks are short, grass growth is below demand, and so anything that will improve grass growth at the moment, even if the return from fertiliser is less than optimal, I would suggest is still worth doing. It will depend on your individual situation. If you've got a high average farm cover and a low stocking rate, you're probably already at magic day. So it's not a one size fits all. But generally speaking, at the moment, we will still be putting some fertiliser on. So in summary, I would recommend that you continue measuring weekly, have your discussions with the staff who are involved in the farm, make decisions based on that information, and I would certainly encourage you to keep putting feed in to keep cows fully fed, slow the rotation down until growth equals demand, and then you will have some great quality grass going forward.